Okay, so in this program we are being asked to get the weekday, so that's going to be a string value, the month and the year from the user. So month is a string, the day is a number, so that's going to be an integer, and and the year will also be an integer, and we just want to display it in 4 different ways on the screen. So basically mimic this output to the screen. So let's go to our IDE and code that up. Okay, so we need a variable to represent the weekday. So weekday. And that was a string, so we're just going to use a regular input statement. So enter the weekday. And we need a day of the week, so that's the number. Oh, I'm indented there. So the day is an integer. So we're going to put the input statement around the int function to convert the string to an integer. So enter the day of the month. And then we need the month, and that is written as a word, so that was a string. So input. And finally we need the year, and that was also an integer. So we'll do the conversion. So enter the... Okay. And we want to... Why my tabs are messed up here. What do we want to do? We want to print that 4 different ways. So if we're looking at the picture, so we were printing the weekday, and then is the weekday, and we're then printing weekday, the month, and then the day. And we are printing the, it automatically puts spaces in when you print. That's why I don't have a space in here. That doesn't happen with all programming languages, but just the way Python is working, it's automatically putting a space between variables. So I don't, I could probably even forget these and it would still work, but that's why they're there. The next I need to print the month, the day, and the year, separated by the day and the year by a comma. So I have month, day, and then the year. Okay. Oops. And finally, I need to do the year/day/month. So print year, and then the slash, and the day, and then the slash, and then the month. Okay. And hopefully I have not made any mistakes, but let's see if this works. Oh no, obviously. Okay, invalid syntax. What did I do? Always forget this bracket. Okay. Try again. Okay, so what is the weekday? So the weekday is going to be Wednesday. And let's enter the month, September. Oh man, not good today. Invalid literal with base 10, September. So what am I doing? So the month... Oh, enter the day of the month. Ugh. We'll try that again. Wednesday. Day of the month is the integer value, so it couldn't convert September into an integer. Day of the month was 4. Okay, the month is September. And the year is 2016. Okay, so Wednesday is the weekday. Wednesday, September 4th, that was what it was supposed to print next. September 4th, 2016, correct, and 16th for September. Okay, there we go. All right, that is now working correctly.